पीछे मेरे नैना बड़ी जहरीली अख मारे कम सुन कमरिया साली एक ठुमके से लख मारे।
Katrina Kaif is clearly the numero actress of Bollywood today. While on one side most directors and producers are lining up to get a nod from this gorgeous actress, on the other there are top league actors who want to be paired with her. On that note, in today's 10 on 10, we bring to you Katrina Kaif's top 10 leading men in Bollywood. On number 10 is Abhishek Bachchan. Abhishek and Katrina teamed up for the first time in Ram Gopal Varma's 2005 release Sarkar, and there was no seeing them together on screen after that. They were about to do Karan Johar produced Dostana 2, directed by Tarun Mansukhani. They were also about to come together for an untitled romantic comedy to be directed by Rajkumar Santoshi. And third film rumored to do rounds with Abhishek and Katrina as leads was the one that would be directed by Vipul Shah, who was once Katrina's mentor. However, these films have not come to light yet. When asked about her teaming up with Abhishek way back in Sarkar, she had said, "Sarkar was so long ago. We were both different people and different actors back then. So much has changed. I hardly know Abhishek that well. Now that we'll be doing so much work together, I guess the process of getting to know one another will happen automatically. The little that I know of him, Abhishek is great fun." All said and done, the fact that time and again producers and directors have planned signing this on-screen jodi together talks about why Abhishek features in our list of Katrina's top 10 leading men. On number 9 is Govinda. Katrina chose to work with Govinda at an early stage in her career, and fortunately for her, their pairing resulted in a super hit movie. While she debuted in 2003, it was the year 2007 that gave her recognition, and David Dhawan's partner with Katrina playing Govinda's love interest did exceptionally well at the box office. Katrina's prim and proper character combined with Govinda's perfect comic timing and histrionics made for a unique pair. Undeniably, the two did share a cute chemistry in the movie and were successful in making the audience laugh and believe in their out-of-the-box romance. When asked how she chose to work with Govinda back then when the movie was under production, she had replied that the film she was working in is a funny one where Govinda fits in the role with her. On number 8 is John Abraham. John Abraham and Katrina Kaif together have been in news for various reasons. While it was a 2009 movie New York that gave Bollywood this pair, not many know that Katrina was supposed to be cast opposite John way back in 2003, where she was at the initial stages of her career in Bollywood. The movie was Anurag Basu's Saya. Anurag's first choice to cast opposite John was Katrina. However, John wanted the director to take an actress who could at least speak the language well. And that was when Tara Sharma replaced Katrina Kaif. During the shoot of New York, Katrina and John kept their distance from each other because of her then boyfriend Salman Khan's angst with her co-star. But now that Katrina has had a clear breakup with Salman, she recently shot with John for a music video. And the pair, it seems, bonded really well. We are sure about one thing, that we would be more than happy to see Kat with this handsome hunk of B-Town yet again. On number 7 is Saif Ali Khan. Doesn't remember the song Khwab Dekhe Jhoote Moothe from the Abbas Mastan thriller Race? Well, the success of the song talks about the on-screen chemistry between Katrina and Saif Ali Khan and the fact that this jodi was well received by the audiences.
Me as your lover, but tell me now, are you a player? Say what? Huh? Chicka chicka, chicka chicka.
जब भी देखे तुझको नजर पे भी घायल हो जाए जिगर के ये कैसा जादू किया रे loves the game I wanna play I am craving for your body now
In fact, during the filming of the movie and even post its release, Katrina's sizzling song Touch Me made a lot of news. Katrina and Saif raised many eyebrows when they did this sensuous number together.
Zara zara touch me, touch me, touch me. Zara zara kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Zara zara hold me, hold me, hold me. Zara zara oh, oh. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Zara zara kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Zara zara hold me, hold me, hold me. Zara zara oh, oh. बिन तेरे सनम इस जहान में बेकरार हम दम da dum da dum. बिन तेरे सनम इस जहान में बेकरार हम. Zara zara touch me, touch me, touch me. Zara zara kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Zara zara hold me, hold me, hold me. Zara zara oh, oh.
We all know that Race turned out to do well at the box office, and this jodi worked pretty well. However, we are yet to see them work together again.
तेरा ही तेरा इंतजार है मुझे तो बस तुझसे प्यार है तेरा ही तेरा खुमार है खुद पे ना मेरा इख्तियार है बिन तेरे सनम इस जहान में बेकरार हम दम da dum da dum बिन तेरे सनम इस जहान में बेकरार हम touch me touch me touch me zara zara kiss me kiss me kiss me zara zara hold me hold me hold me zara zara oh, oh.
On number 6 is Imran Khan. We saw this absolutely fresh and young pair sizzle in a rom-com last year with Mere Brother Ki Dulhan. Interestingly, ever since the promos of the movie began, the chemistry between this young couple was evident, and the fact that this pair is going to leave a mark on the audiences was visible. Within no time of their first movie's release, there was news that the Yash Raj banner had signed the pair yet again for another romantic movie.